Welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 16. One of the disadvantages of pipeline transportation is its A. Convenience in transporting liquid goods, B. Delay over long distance, C. Flexible nature, D. High cost of construction, E. Low maintenance cost. So, pipeline transportation is a form of transportation using pipelines. And pipelines are basically just networks of pipes. Now it is mostly used to transport liquids and gases. So you have liquids such as water, oil, etc., and you have gas such as the cooking gas. Now we are asked for one of the disadvantages. So convenience in transporting liquid goods is an advantage of pipeline transportation. So option A is not the answer. Now delay over long distance is not a disadvantage. So flexible nature is an advantage, so it is not the answer. And flexible nature just means ability to transport the produce right into remote regions or into one's home, like the comfort of one's home. So D, high cost of construction, is a disadvantage of pipeline transportation. This is because the pipeline network is very expensive in terms of construction. It takes huge investment to execute, so it is a disadvantage of pipeline transportation, and low maintenance cost is an advantage, so it's not the answer. So the correct answer is D, high cost of construction. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.